So I got the DJI Osmo Mobile SE because I'm about to go on vacation overseas and I wanted to record some vacation videos for family memories. So I wanted something lightweight because we're actually heading to places where we'll be using a lot of public transportation. Right now specifically we're gonna be going to Japan and Taiwan. So I had heard good things about using a gimbal-like piece of equipment, but I've actually never tried it. So this will be my very first gimbal that I will have ever owned. So here is an unboxing of the Osmo Mobile SE. It's got 3 axes, a stabilization, magnetic design, portable, foldable, quick roll, easy tutorials, one-tap editing, active track 5.0. So in the box, there's gonna be the gimbal and a magnetic phone clamp, 3 grip tripod, power cable, storage pouch, documents. Great. So this is the cable. Oh, this is the pouch. This is the travel pouch. Okay, so this travel pouch is looks like it's a polyester fabric material. It's the soft parts on the outside. Got the Osmo logo right there. Okay, drawstring pouch. These look like some kind of feet. Okay, I'll put that to the side. So this is the quick start guide. Yeah, and from my research, the Osmo Mobile is still not too expensive, which is probably good for an average user. Okay, so this does not feel that light. There is a lighter version, but I didn't opt for that one because the features on that one I think are not as intuitive. This is what we have here. This looks to be, so this is the cable. Oh, this is the pouch. This is the travel pouch. Okay, so this travel pouch is looks like it's a polyester fabric material. It's the soft parts on the outside. Got the Osmo logo right there. Okay, drawstring pouch. These look like some kind of feet. Okay, I'll put that to the side. So this is the quick start guide. Yeah, and from my research, the Osmo Mobile is still not too expensive, which is probably good for an average user. Okay, so this does not feel that light. There is a lighter version, but I didn't opt for that one because the features on that one I think are not as intuitive. Okay, and this is what we have here. This looks to be the device holder. And this must be the this looks like it's the tripod. Okay, so with the bags off, this is what you see here, okay? And this is the gimbal, so we'll take it out. And for the gimbal, there is this space here, so you can attach it to the base like this, and then we'll go ahead and unfold it with a bit of force like this. And you can see that it goes on just like that. The cable head is USB-C head. I found an old iPhone to test with. Who remembers these? Okay, so I think it goes in here like this. Okay. Right, and you want it to be equal, so a little bit over. There we go. Oh, and let me show you. Okay, this is when it turns on. I can feel it vibrate. Change the landscape. Change the portrait. And turn it off. It's holding it down. And it's off. This is an oldie, but a goodie, and very, very simple. I don't know if you can even buy these anymore. I got this many years ago. Keizus, and it is very simple. So, whoops, see I popped off the leg. But you can basically, I can pop this back on. Okay, yeah, I am not the strongest person in the world. So you can use this as a little handheld tripod. You can also bend the legs, and it's a little stationary person that can hold your camera. So let's go ahead and twist this, loosen this knob right here to make this wider. And look, here's another oldie but a goodie. If anyone remembers these. Okay, so you would have your camera facing usually up, then you would tighten it. Okay, so feel it tighten, and down here there's this latch. You loosen that to adjust the head. When you have it where you want, then you tighten the latch. Okay, and now you can use this to go ahead and take a picture, take a video, whatever you need. The other thing that was really cool about this back in the day, besides the fact that it's extremely light so that you can carry it with you, because it's basically just plastic, is supposedly, using my shiny new gimbal, we can pan the camera up. Supposedly, I haven't done this because I didn't want to risk dropping my iPhone, but yeah, you can hang it up on a tree or wherever you happen to be. There you go. And you'd be able to use your iPhone to take a picture. So then you would straighten it here with the head, latch it down, and yeah, you could potentially use the grippy portion to hold on to things. Now let me show you the fill light phone clamp that I also got to go with the DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal. and let's do another unboxing. So according to the website, this should be compatible with the Osmo Mobile SE gimbal that I showed you earlier. And it looks like here, it comes with a manual, and it has the phone light clamp over there. And let's get that out of the bag and take a look at it. And here is the clamp itself. Okay, so I see the lights on either side, and that looks like the power button. Oh, there we go, it turns on. And with subsequent presses of the power button, you adjust the level of illumination. And this is the original phone clamp, the one that came with the gimbal. So that's phone clamp 3 if I remember correctly. They look to be similar size, these two clamps. The one with the light has a charging port, looks like a USB-C port. I'm betting that it's probably a bit heavier than the original clamp too, and I'll show you what they weigh in a little bit. So here is another vintage iPhone for us to test it with. Okay. It looks like it clamps on pretty securely, and let's try to get that to fit onto the gimbal. Now that I've used it a while more, you have to remember to match the white dot on the clamp to the white dot on the gimbal. So that's the white dot. And there it's attached. Now let's test it with the new clamp. So this is the fill light clamp. It's a bit heavier than the original clamp, but the joystick movement still feels smooth. It looks like it's still holding the phone pretty steady despite the movements, and it's nice now to have lighting on my gimbal. I wonder if it'll work just as well if I flip the phone over, because that right now the way it's angled, it's like a selfie light. And let's try to take it off. Let's see how hard it is. Okay, it's not too bad. It's about the same as the original clamp. And this is the color tone. You can change to cool tones or warm tones. That's actually pretty nice to have. And now let's check out the weight. This is the original clamp, and it's 30 grams. And this is the fill light clamp, and this one is at 72 grams. And that's it. That's the fill light phone clamp. We downloaded the Mimo app, and it paired flawlessly with the gimbal. Our favorite part of the Mimo app is the facial tracking feature. It is so cool to put the camera on the table and walk around and watch the camera track you and follow you. The other cool things that we've done with this gimbal is we notice it gives our videos a more cinematic, smooth quality as we walk around. We've used it to record skateboarding sessions. It's been great. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see how well it works in Japan and Taiwan.